Okay, dear students, today we will discuss possessive pronouns, and you can easily understand with the word possessive that such set of pronouns will show belongings or ownership or possession of something to someone. So, and the concept is very brief in your book. It is discussed with three main points or three key points. By understanding those three key points, you can easily understand or grasp the whole concept of the possessive pronouns. And the first thing, which is or the first point, which is the key point of this concept which is discussed in your book, that we use the possessive pronouns instead of a noun phrase. We use that instead of a noun phrase. Now, if we focus upon this one, how can we use it instead of a noun phrase? Before moving towards that, first let's have a look upon the concept of phrase. What is phrase? You know that the phrase is the combination of two or more than two words, and where we don't have the combination of subject plus verb together. We will have some words together, but we will not have subject plus verb together. We will not have the combination of subject plus verb. So, and what is noun phrase? Noun phrase is the group of words which does the work of noun. So that will be the noun phrase, or which functions as a noun. And here are two formulas by which you can understand the noun phrase used in a sentence. The first one is, you can see that we will, whenever we will have determiner plus noun together, we will say that this is a noun phrase. Or whenever we will have determiner plus adjective plus noun together, we will say that this is the noun phrase. For example, this is my house. If you look upon this one, here we have my and house. These two words are together making a noun phrase. And here house is noun and this is determiner. And if we make another sentence, that this is my book, this is my pen, or this is my beautiful house, or this is my beautiful pen, in this way you can understand that you have determiner plus adjective plus noun together. This is the noun phrase. So we discussed that we use a noun phrase, a possessive pronoun instead of a noun phrase. So in this way we can make it, or if we use in this sentence a possessive pronoun, we will make it like this is mine house, or this house is mine. In this way we will make a correct sentence. This house is mine. So we replace the whole noun phrase with the possessive pronoun, which is mine. And the next thing is that we in front of a noun, this is the key point written in your book, that in front of a noun, how we will discuss it, that in front of a noun, if we are going to use something, we have two types of possessive pronouns. Means first one is possessive adjective and second one is possessive pronoun. And we cannot use a possessive pronoun in front of a noun. We cannot use. If we want to use something here, that will be a possessive adjective. Here are some possessive adjectives are written. My, and possessive pronoun for my will be mine, your, yours, his, her, its, our, and their. And in same way we have possessive pronouns written here, his, hers, and it is not used here, and ours and theirs. These are possessive pronouns, and these are their adjectives, possessive adjectives. So we cannot use a possessive pronoun in front of a noun. And the third thing, which is discussed with examples in your book, that is without being followed by a noun. This is the third key point, which is written in the form of bullet in your book, and there are many examples which are about this one. For example, one example is written here, I am looking for my keys. Okay, and the next is, these keys are mine. If we focus upon this one, I am looking for my keys, we know that this is noun and this is determiner. Here it is used as possessive adjective, my keys. But here these keys are mine. You can see that here this one is possessive pronoun, and we don't have any noun in front or here or in both sides of this one. We have noun which is there. These keys are mine. Here we have verb, and next we have a possessive pronoun. So it is you can see that it is after a verb. We have this one, so we don't have a noun with it. It is you can say that without being followed by a noun, we don't have here a noun. Then we have some examples from your book. Choose the correct one. You are going to do this. The book on the table is, we have options: yours, your, yourself, and you. You know that this is personal pronoun. This is yourself. We have used it as intensive and also as reflexive in different sort of sentences. And your, this one, you can find it in the place of possessive adjective your, and definitely we will have correct answer which will be yours. And the next example is, those chairs are dash. Those chairs are dash. Your, their, theirs, and my. And you can look for the possessive adjective. Which one is possessive? Theirs is possessive. Here we have is, which is verb. Here we have are, which is also a verb. The next example is, this house is dash. This house is our, ourselves, ours, her. And now you can find easily where we have a possessive pronoun. This one is, we discussed this. You know that this is what, and this is, these are this is a possessive adjective, and this is personal pronoun, and this is intensive. We used it as intensive and reflexive too, and now this is the possessive pronoun. And the last example is, this wedding dress is dash. Hers, herself, her, and my. There is no you can see that there we have possessive pronoun which is hers, so we will use it here. And thank you, students.